All right, this is the past program of geometry. Okay, so in this worksheet, you guys are going to be getting two triangles, and you're going to be telling me a reason why they're congruent. So the two reasons you guys are going to be using, if they're congruent, are SSS, which means side side side, or SAS, which means side angle side. Okay, so let's get started with three different types of questions out of 16 of them. Okay, all right, so first one, number one. So you look at the markings, okay, which means that these two sides are congruent. Okay, so I'm gonna do it one more time. So if these two sides are congruent, so you can just put S, means that they're congruent. Okay, sides are congruent. All right, so let me use a different color here. So look at this one. The markings are the same, means that these two sides are congruent. So you're gonna put S, okay, which means that these two sides are congruent. You got the second pair of sides, they're congruent. Okay, so let's look at this shared common side. So two triangles are attached, and they share a common side. So usually what I do is I just do some crazy marking. So I just put like four little markings on it. Okay, that just tells me that since they share a common side, so their third sides are congruent. Okay, so you're gonna put SSS for your reason. All right, so next one, let's look at the first pair of markings. That tells you that the two sides are congruent, so put an S. Okay, look at the angles. The markings are the same. Okay, so which means that you can say that angles are the same. Okay, and they share a common side right here. Okay, so which means that another sides are congruent. All right, let's look at the next one. So look at the markings. That means that one pair of sides are congruent. Okay, and look at another markings, another pair of markings, another pair of sides are congruent. Okay, so what happened here is that the third sides they didn't do any markings, so you can't really say that you can't really say that the last pair of sides are congruent. So you're just left with S and S. Okay, so in this case, you just have to say that not enough information. Okay, so that's it. They're not congruent because of not enough information. All right, so that's it for the video. Good luck.